What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today I'm going to go over how I made $500 on Instagram by just selling prints. So I have my notes right here. It's going to be a fairly quick video, so let's begin. Actually, before we begin, if I can ask you guys to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. That would be amazing. And now to the video. So I had 3 factors to help me sell prints. The first one was the following. I have a decent sized following. I believe it's at 10,000 right now, which if you have a bigger following is gonna have more eyes on your work. The second factor for me was engagement. If people are engaging more on your photo, you know it's a good one. So if you get 5 to 1,000 likes, that means people are engaging with it and they like that photo. Factor 3 is interest. If people are showing interest in a specific photo, commenting saying they love this photo, where can I get a print, DMing you, hey, can I buy a print of this, or even emailing you, you know that that is a photo that you can sell. For example, at the end of 2019, I took this winter scene photo of my hometown city gazebo. This went pretty big, going on news channels in Cleveland, local stations as well. And this photo gained me that $500 in that 1 month. I was able to sell about 15 of these prints just on Instagram. And a local coffee shop reached out to me to have these in their store, so they even generated more sales. So how did I do all of this? Easy. Let's start with the products that I used. So first off, I'm using the Canon Pixma Pro 100 printer. This thing is totally paid off, so I'm not even adding that into a factor of cost. Secondly, I'm using the Canon Photo Paper Plus semi-gloss paper. This is 8x10. It is only $18 for 50 sheets. Thirdly, the matting kit. This matting kit is 11x14 and fits the 8x10 photo paper that I have. This kit comes with the border, the backing, and this really nice plastic casing. For tape, I went the inexpensive route and just got double-sided tape and invisible tape. And optional, you can add your business cards, which I have right here, and also little labels with your website and description of the photo. Lastly, if you plan on shipping like I do, I use the USPS Priority Mail box. I believe these are 12 by 15. So these are totally free. You can get as many as you want, and we'll talk a little bit about pricing here in a little bit. So here is the rundown of the process that I go through to sell these prints. I find out which photo is getting a lot of engagement. So for example, that winter scene photo got a lot of engagement. I got a lot of comments saying they want a print of this, so I knew this was the one. So I started printing a lot. I made all the mats. I had probably about 10 ready to go and ship. My pricing is based on all the cost factors of the paper, the ink, and tape and stuff like that. So I came out to about $40. And if I wanted to ship, it would be $8. And thankfully in the US where I live, I was able to ship these for under $8 to each state that I was shipping to. So again, if I find that a photo is getting a lot of engagement, I decide to sell it. And then I start to post on my story, probably once a day for a little bit, and saying, hey, I have these 11x14 prints available, and here's the price, here's the shipping. If you're available, please DM me. Once I get an interested buyer, they will DM me. I will then ask for their name, their address, and how they want to pay. So make sure you have a lot of payment options. I use PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, whatever you want, cash check, totally up to you, but my favorite is usually PayPal to protect myself, or Venmo. And once they have provided all their information and paid you, that's when I go to USPS, I ship it, and then I send them their tracking number so they can track their print. So I think this process is super easy, not too complicated, and all this stuff just factors in to make this a really smooth process for the customer as well. And back to the pricing, wherever you live, make sure you write down how much you owe in taxes and your revenue and expenses and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out a little bit, please leave a like, subscribe, comment below any questions that you may have about this. I'll be happy to answer them. Of course, this is going to be different from everyone, from every different account, so take this with a grain of salt, and good luck, guys. Don't be afraid to jump out there and get started with this, and I hope you guys make some money.